All right, CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at the Dreame booth. And what is your name?
Christian.
Christian. And what do we got going on here?
So what we have over here is we have a robotic mower, and the product that we are demonstrating is the Apex. So to give further insight about this product is that it's powered by AI, so that way it can already navigate the whole entire structure of the yard and pinpoint on what exactly needs to be maintained, and it can get the job done right then and there.
That's awesome. So the AI, what kind of, is it running with sensors? What kind of LiDAR? What are we looking at?
Sensors, and it has cameras, so
Okay.
that way it can be able to screen the whole entire operation. And
So it's got cameras, it's using AI to determine where it needs to go, and then it's going to cut your lawn for you.
yes, sir.
What kind of a wrench should we expect? How large of a lawn can this guy cut?
So with this lawn, it can be able to cut an acre a day. It takes about an hour and a half to charge, and it lasts for a duration of 3 hours.
That's excellent. That's really good.
Yeah. The way that it charges,
Yeah.
it docks itself in.
That's awesome.
Like a
Okay, so
boat.
basically, you just set up a schedule and then you're done with your lawn forever.
Pretty much.
That's awesome. I love that. Okay, and I saw we got that arm on the top, and it was actually watering everything for you. You can basically use this to completely eliminate landscapers, really, just with this one tool.
You know what? With this mower itself, it could be able to take care of every single one of your agricultural needs, whether it waters your plants, it can clean things from your yard, it can blow leaves away,
Really?
and it can do a various amount of different things.
Okay. Man, that's incredible. So it's got a leaf blower built in?
Yes.
That's amazing. Oh, this has got literally everything. It's probably the most intense one I've seen so far. How about the lawn? Can you adjust the height of the grass?
You can. So we have precision cutters, so it's dual discs.
Okay.
So that way it can be able to cut the grass exactly how it's supposed to be cut, so that way it's well trimmed.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Right.
How about a grade? What kind of a grade can this climb up?
It has 80% climbing power, and it has solid inclination.
does that mean?
So whether if you have land or whatever the case may be, and you have hills and slopes,
Yeah.
it could be able to climb up those hills and slopes, kind of like a Jeep climbing
Oh, really?
rocks.
Okay, sweet. Okay. And so it will probably then use the AI to determine the best path to get up that without worrying about tip over or anything like that, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Last thing, would it handle wet grass?
Wet grass, it could be able to handle wet grass very effectively because it has great grounding, and the way that it's structured, it knows how to hold its weight without having to deal with any slippery slopes.
Okay. That is probably one of the coolest things I've seen so far. So, I mean, I've seen a handful of lawnmowers so far. This is probably the coolest one. What would you expect for a retail price?
They didn't give me a specific amount on the retail price, but this will be launched in March,
Okay.
and roughly estimated around in the 2000s range.
That's actually a great price.
So it's pretty affordable.
Yeah.
Our finest robotic mower from Dreame,
Yeah.
and it's the future.
Right on. I love it. Thank you very much, sir. It's been great.
My pleasure. Thank you.